Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to redeem a Microsoft Reward gift card for Roblox in 2025 step by step. Super easy. Let's get started. First, open up your web browser and search for Microsoft Rewards. Click on the official Microsoft Rewards Bing website from the search results. Once you're there, look for the search bar on the left hand side and type in Roblox. Then click the Earn tab at the top and now scroll down until you see the Roblox digital card in the reward suggestion. Click on it. Choose how many points you want to redeem. You'll see a redeem button or something similar. Hit that. There's also an option to auto redeem everyone. Toggle that and if you want. Once you have redeemed your points and got your Roblox gift card code, head over to the Roblox website. In the side menu, click on gift card and then on the top right, hit the redeem card button. Enter the code you got from Microsoft Rewards and boom, your Robux will be added to your account. That's it, quick and simple. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe and tap the bell icon for more tech tips like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one as always with the fresh new content.